Section 16 of No Animal Food and Nutrition and Diet with Vegetable Recipes by Rupert H. Weldon. This LibriVox recording is in the public domain. Section 16. Recipes, Cakes, and Biscuits. 60. Wheatmeal Fruit Cake. 6 ounces entire wheat flour, 3 ounces nut butter, 3 ounces sugar, 3 ounces almond meal, 10 ounces sultanas, 2 ounces lemon peel, 2 teaspoonsful baking powder. Rub butter into flour. Mix all ingredients together with water into stiff batter. Bake in cake tins lined with buttered paper. 61. Rice fruit cake. 8 ounces ground rice, 4 ounces white flour, 4 ounces nutter, 3 ounces sugar, 6 ounces stoned chopped raisins, 1 large teaspoonful baking powder, water. Rub nutter into flour. Mix all ingredients together with water into stiff batter. Bake in cake tins lined with buttered paper. 62. Maize fruit cake. 8 ounces cornmeal, 6 ounces white flour, 4 ounces sugar, 4 ounces nut butter, 8 ounces preserved cherries, 2 ounces lemon peel, 2 teaspoonfuls baking powder, water. Rub butter into flour. Mix all ingredients together with water into stiff batter. Bake in cake tins lined with buttered paper. 63. Apple cake. 1 pound apples, 1/4 pound white flour, 1/2 pound cornmeal, 4 ounces nutter, 4 ounces sugar, 2 small teaspoonfuls baking powder, water. Cook apples to a sauce and strain well through colander, rejecting lumps. Melt fat and mix all ingredients together with water into stiff batter. Bake in cake tins lined with buttered paper. 64. Corn cake, plain. 1/2 pound maize meal, 3 ounces nutter, 3 ounces sugar, 1 teaspoonful baking powder. Melt fat. Mix all ingredients together into batter. Bake in cake tins lined with buttered paper. 65. Nut cake. 12 ounces white flour, 4 ounces ground rice, 4 ounces nutter or nut butter, 5 ounces sugar, 6 ounces mixed grated nuts, 2 teaspoonfuls baking powder. Melt fat. Mix ingredients together into batter and place in cake tins lined with buttered paper. 66. Mixed fruit salads. 2 sliced bananas, 1 tin pineapple chunks, 2 sliced apples, 2 sliced oranges, 1/2 pound grapes, 1/4 pound raisins, 1/4 pound shelled walnuts, 1/2 pint grape juice. 67. Fruit nut salad. 1 pound picked strawberries, 1/4 pound mixed shelled nuts, 1/2 pint grape juice. Sprinkle over with granose or toasted cornflakes just before serving. 68. Winter salad. 2 peeled sliced tomatoes, 2 peeled sliced apples, 1 small sliced beetroot, 1 small sliced onion, olive oil whisked up with lemon juice for a dressing. 69. Vegetable salad. 1 sliced beetroot, 1 sliced potato, cooked, 1 sliced onion, 1 sliced heart of cabbage, olive oil dressing. Arrange on a bed of watercress. Biscuits. The following biscuits are made thus. Melt the nutter, mix all ingredients with sufficient water to make into stiff paste. Roll out and cut into shapes. Bake in moderate oven. These biscuits, when cooked, average 20 grains protein per ounce. 70. plain wheat biscuits. 1/2 pound entire wheat flour, 4 ounces sugar, 4 ounces Nutter, little chopped peel. 71. Plain rice biscuits. 3/4 pound ground rice, 4 ounces sugar, 3 ounces Nutter, vanilla essence. 72. Plain maize biscuits. 1/2 pound maize meal, 4 ounces sugar, 3 ounces Nutter. If made into soft batter, these can be dropped like rock cakes. 73. Banana biscuits. 1/2 pound banana meal, 4 ounces sugar, 4 ounces Nutter. 74. Coconut biscuits. 1/2 pound white flour, 3 ounces sugar, 2 ounces Nutter, 4 ounces coconut meal. 75. Sultana biscuits. 3/4 pound white flour, 4 ounces sugar, 4 ounces Nutter, 6 ounces minced sultanas and peel, 2 ounces almond meal. 76. Fig biscuits. 1/2 pound entire wheat flour, 3 ounces sugar, 4 ounces Nutter, 3 ounces minced figs. If made into soft batter, these can be dropped like rock cakes. Date, prune, raisin, and ginger biscuits. These are prepared in the same way as recipe number 76, using one of these fruits in place of figs. Use dry, preserved ginger. 77. Brazil nut biscuits. 8 ounces white flour, 2 ounces ground rice, 3 ounces sugar, 4 ounces grated Brazil kernels. If made into a soft batter, these can be dropped like rock cakes. 78. Fruit nut biscuits. 3/4 pound white flour, 4 ounces ground rice, 4 ounces sugar, 5 ounces Nutter, 6 ounces mixed grated nuts, 6 ounces mixed minced fruits, sultanas, peel, raisins. 79. Rye biscuits. 1 pound rye flour, 8 ounces sugar, 8 ounces nut butter, 8 ounces sultanas. 80. Xerces biscuits. 3/4 pound whole wheat flour, 2 ounces sugar, 1/2 breakfast cupful olive oil. End of section 16.